Precision Door, a name you can trust.
When you open your door, it's nice to have a well-lit garage. Sometimes that doesn't work, and it's as simple as a light bulb being out. There are a few different types of light covers and some different light bulbs we recommend. We're gonna take a minute and go over them. This is the Genie garage door opener. You're actually going to need just a regular Phillips head screwdriver to take the cover off, and you're usually going to unscrew 2 screws here at the top of the light cover. So we're gonna take a second and unscrew these. And you don't actually have to take them all the way out. You can leave them partially in and they'll stay there. Once we have the 2 screws unscrewed, we can open it up and it exposes the light bulbs, called CFLs. The vibration from a garage door opener won't affect these light bulbs. There's no filament inside to burn up from the vibration. The other light bulb we recommend is called the rough duty light bulb. They're used for garage door openers, they're used for ceiling fans, anything that might vibrate and blow that filament. So now all we do is just like a regular light bulb. We just unscrew them, screw them back in, and follow the same process to put the light cover back on. So the second opener I wanted to mention just has little push pins here on the side. So you press these tabs and the cover just pulls straight down, change your light bulb. When you close it, you can hear the tabs click back in and it's closed back up. The third type I wanted to mention, when you look at it, you'll notice doesn't have any screws or any tabs. One like this generally just pulls right off. You're not breaking it. I know it's strange sometimes to look and not see tabs or see screws or anything, but you just pull it straight off, change your light bulb, and then it just pops right back on. And you'll never be in the dark again.
Precision Door service, a name you can trust.